Hi, welcome back. Now, for those of you who have been following Apple, you might be wondering what on earth is going on with Apple. It has, stocks like Nvidia and AMD are going up, tech stocks. Apple, which is a tech stock itself, is not doing very, very well. And in this analysis, we're going to look at what is actually happening to Apple, what is a possible price target that it may drop to if support does not hold. So without further ado, let me just go into the daily chart of Apple. Now, the story of Apple has been a very volatile one. Even if you're a long-term investor, this stock has been roller coaster all the way, and it is not for the faint-hearted. But for traders, if you have volatility like this, actually it can give you a trading opportunity, because only with moves like this you can pick it low here, sell high, pick it low here, sell high. For example, this double bottom pattern, you can actually buy here and sell it higher. So volatility is a friend of the trader, but volatility can be the enemy of investors, especially if you have a lot of invested in it. And if you have margin in when you invested in it, the volatility that Apple gives you can be very hard breaking sometimes. So there are a few things that are not going well with Apple. First of all, you can see that if we draw a uptrend line connecting these lows here, okay, the stock has break below this uptrend line, and you can see the moment it breaks below the uptrend line, there was a nasty correction, not correction, actually a very nasty drop, capping down lower 2 days here, which is kind of scary. Now, and the other technical picture that is not very good with Apple right now is below the 20 MA. The 20 MA is declining, telling us short term be bearish in the stock. It is below the 50 MA, and the 50 MA is declining, which tells us short term, mid-term, things don't expect it to be bullish. And it is already below the 200 MA, this yellow line. It found support a few times here, like around here, here, even here, and here it tried to find support, but eventually support cannot hold, 200 MA cannot help, and when it fell below it, it just kind of crumbled. So when a stock is below the 200 MA, usually it's not very good, especially can you see Apple here below the 200 MA, it decline, and things won't be so good for the stock for the time being. Okay, so where is the next support area we want to look at? Here will be the next support area, this prior low here. Let me just draw, okay, which is about the area of 165. okay, this is the nearest support here. Now if Apple is able to find support here, then we want to draw this trend line. Okay, trend lines are very simple trend changing tools you might want to use. If Apple is able to draw to have support here, find support here, you want to see it trade above this downtrend line before you want to change your opinion that it's gonna be bullish again. Okay, now here is the important support. Now what happens if this support breaks? If the support breaks, the next area of support will be around here. Okay, this whole chunk here, and could range anywhere between 154 to 144, but we will most likely, if you take the middle around here, is 150, and you can actually let me just take away this, remove this trend line so that you not confused. We can actually take the move here, the highs here to the lows here, this support area, okay, and clone it, and okay, the moment it breaks down, support to find short-term target of about here 159. Okay, and if it continues to drop, right, there is a possibility that it will continue to drop to 150, which is this important area of support. I take it here because there's a lot of congestions. Okay, so do bear in mind this target, this support. So if support does not hold here, there's a possibility that it might decline even further to 150. Technical pictures are not looking very good. If you want a short-term buy this, or you want to buy it cheaper, you want to look at a better technical picture. Let's go to the weekly charts. My internet connection is a bit slow. Okay, here we can say that Apple has made like this kind of very large double top. All right, large double top. Okay, if you want to take the target of the double top as it breaks down, right, this is the middle here, double top here. If you want to take a really serious target, all right, textbook target could be here 132. Okay, if this support does not hold, and if you subscribe to the notion, the idea there's a double top here, but I think most likely that you'll find support around here, because this is something like a weekly Cupid handle, if you can see it. Okay, the support will be around this area. Okay, support is an area, not a definite point, but maybe we take the middle is about 150, where I don't know, maybe you will meet the maybe it might meet the rising weekly 200 MA here. We don't know, but we just take the middle here, about 150. It could drop. Okay, maybe the weekly 200 MA might go a bit higher towards the top of the support, and when it meets the price there, it might bounce up. So there is a lot of possibilities, but at this moment, if you want to buy the dips, right, it's not very conducive. Okay, never ever buy the dips of Apple if it's below, this is the hourly chart, if it's below the 20 MA, below the 50 MA, and below the 200 MA. These are not conducive for bullish environments in the stock, so you want to wait for more confirmation when it goes back above the 20 MA, 50 MA before deciding to buy the stock again. So I hope this analysis has been helpful to open your eyes to the many possibilities of what might happen to Apple. And if you find it helpful, okay, do give my video a like, a thumbs up, and if you enjoy this analysis, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.